I never knew I could love someone so much until I had her. Everyone thinks you're gonna be a great parent except for you. This is Claire. She's 5 weeks old and instantly became our world. So naturally, we were always wondering if she was okay. The what ifs kept us up all night.
Thankfully, Levana created a product that was so complex that kept her safe and made it so simple to use.
When we got our Oma Sense movement monitor, we felt so relieved knowing it was constantly monitoring her little tummy movements.
It's the first movement monitor to use WakeUp Technology. This means it stimulates our baby with randomized vibrations and alerts us if no movement is detected.
Being made with medical-grade materials and requiring no skin contact, we knew it was truly made for her comfort. And with the simple one-handed clip, it's convenient for us too. Being completely cordless and battery-powered, it's safe for her and can easily go with her to Grandma's house.
That's if you'll ever be okay with leaving her with someone else.
Nothing will ever take away all my worries, but now I know that Oma Sense will let us know if she needs us.
And I know I can get some sleep.
Yes, we can get some sleep.